To make Indian tandoori chicken and yoghurt mint sauce, first wash your hands. Then grind cumin seeds and coriander seeds together in a pestle and mortar, or you could use ground cumin and coriander instead. Tip the ground spices into a bowl, add some smoked paprika, garam masala, ground fenugrec, a pinch of salt, and 3 or 4 twists of black pepper. Now add the spices to natural yoghurt and give it all a good mix. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Add olive oil and mix it again. Peel the papery skins of 6 garlic cloves and put them into a plastic food bag. Use a rolling pin to bash the garlic into small pieces. Then add the crushed garlic into the yoghurt and spices and mix it together. Now ask a grown-up to cook 6 boned skinless chicken thighs and add them to the yoghurt mixture. Mix it together until all the chicken pieces are coated. Cover it with kitchen foil and put it in the fridge for a while so that the flavour soaks into the chicken. To make the yoghurt mint sauce, carefully cut up a small handful of fresh coriander. Then cut up a small handful of fresh mint leaves in the same way. Add the chopped coriander and mint to more natural yoghurt. Add ground cumin, a pinch of salt, 3 or 4 twists of black pepper, and mix it all together. Now take the chicken out of the fridge and ask a grown-up to carefully push the pieces onto metal skewers. Pop them onto a baking tray and ask a grown-up to put them in the oven for you. When the chicken is cooked and slightly cooled, it's ready to eat and goes very well with the yoghurt mint sauce. This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.